Blake with Swiss Watch Expo here, and our new arrival section is overflowing with fascinating, unique Rolexes. Least of all, of course, we're talking about this fantastic Cellini Midas edition. Some of you, if you're familiar with the Midas, might be a little bit well-versed in this case shape. It's a beautiful-looking Art Deco case. But, of course, the real star of the show is the diamond bezel around here. As you can tell, this bezel is very large in relation to the dial, so there's a ton of room for these diamonds to shine, and shine they do. You also have a minimalist look here with the diamond markers at 3, 6, and 9, leading way to the Rolex crown at 12. This is a very classic vintage dress watch with a really unique shape and a manual wind movement in the back. Still very thin, very dressy, and with this size it would also work great for a ladies watch, or if you're a man who's looking for a very small, traditionally sized dress watch, but you still want a unique case shape rather than just something round. This is the watch for you, the Cellini Midas. Check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com.